Good day everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to disassemble a computer hardware. I'm Christian Dior Beniola, CISA student in Alaminos City National High School. At first, let's see the 12 OHS procedures to follow in computer system servicing NCT. Step 1. Unplugging. The first thing to do is to unplug every cables that plug into your computer. This step is to begin a PC disassembly process. Before removing the parts, make sure that the power cables are unplugged. Step 2. Opening the outer case. Loose the screws and remove the case cover to access inside parts of the system unit. Step 3. Removing the system fan. First, unplug the fan from the motherboard. You can locate the plug by following the wire from the fan. You have to unscrew the fan so that you'll be able to lift the fan out of the system unit. Step 4. Removing the CPU fan. Remove the fan from the heatsink. Remove the 4 screws that's securing the place of the CPU heatsink. The CPU fan is located right on top of the CPU heatsink, which is a large piece of metal with fins on the top. Step 5. Removing the power supply. The first thing to do is to unplug every wire coming from the power supply. Once everything is unplugged, unscrew the 4 screws holding the power supply in place on the back of the computer. Next, push the power supply from the outside, then lift it out. Step 6. Removing CD or DVD drives. First, unplug the ribbon from the back of the drive. Once that is completed, pull on the tab that's securing the drive in a place. Then push it out from the inside. Step 7. Removing hard drive and AMP portable hard drive slot. First off, deattach the connector at the back of the slot and unplug the rest that connected to the motherboard and the hard drive. Pull on the tab, then slide the slot out. To remove the hard drive, unscrew the 4 screws securing it in place. Be careful not to drop the hard drive. Step 8. Removing memory RAM. To remove the RAM, push down on both tabs holding the RAM in place, which are located at both ends of the RAM. Step 9. Removing motherboard from the case. To remove the motherboard from the case, unscrew the 9 screws and lift the motherboard out of the frame. This is the last step in PC disassembly process. I hope you learned a lot on how to disassemble a computer hardware.